So UPS just came and picked up all my packages, and apparently they dropped off one, and I should get like 3 packages from them. So I don't know which one showed up. I'm hoping it is the right one, at least. At least I got the one I wanted. There's some other ones that I can't use at just a second, but I can use this iRig Pre-HD. So iLoud Micros, iLoud MTMs, the iLoud Boombox, iRig, IK Multimedia. Musicians first. So Pasta's been yelling at me, and everyone's been yelling at me when I'm in that room there, that I sound like shit. Echo, turn on room light. Okay. So what I've been using in there is a focused array microphone that's designed for like a Samsung mic. It's like 40 bucks. It doesn't sell anymore. They don't make them anymore. And I would buy more because it really does a good job of sitting on top of like a laptop and then directing at your mouth, and you could hear it perfectly. But I'm like 12 feet away from it. Well, I'm like 9 feet away from it in there. So it doesn't sound very good. So when I'm on Pasta's live stream, she's like, "You sound like shit, audio boy." And I'm like, "Fuck you, bitch." And then, so I threw $100 at this thing because I wanted the most, I figure I'll get a review out of it. And I like IK Multimedia, like the iLoud MTMs. I just hooked them back up and they are fucking gorgeous. That room correction, like you can't beat active room correction. So I basically just wanted a simple microphone preamp to put in that room, and like a single one. Like, I didn't want to get like a Scarlett Johansson. No, that's what I'm talking about. The solo or like, this is it. This is what I wanted. I want the smallest, simplest. This weighs nothing. Takes 2 AA batteries. I think I can power it with USB though. And I shouldn't need to replace those batteries. Please don't tell me I have to replace these batteries. I was hoping to get one that I didn't have to replace batteries on. See, it's for your phone. Oh, shit. Am I going to have to wire this up to say it doesn't do... shit. You could Velcro tie through it. Damn it. I may have to... 48 volt on power, gain 0 to 10, and 48 volt off and on, and then direct monitor off and on, and then that has a volume control. So this is for headphones, so you could directly monitor it. I could have sworn I looked at this one, it didn't have a power brick. I guess that makes sense. It's going to use fucking batteries. I figured it would use USB. USB should be able to up convert to 48 volt and run this. Well, it comes with 2 batteries. I'm sure it's going to last about 3 days if I just leave it running in there. We've got a USB micro cable and an Apple to USB micro cable. And here's my Velcro tie to Velcro tie things. And I guess we'll put batteries in it and we'll test it. Well, you're not going to test it. I'm going to show you where it's going, but you're not going to test it. So this would be really for like, you're supposed to hook it up to your phone. It's designed for portability. So I grasp that. Speak of the devil who says I sound like shit. Let's see what this is. Oh, video messages. I'm not sure if you should see these. Let me assess. Oh, no. Oh. We're getting dressed up. You can't see that. Although it's more clothes on than off. So this actually, the strap goes through the door. I don't know if I would trust that.
It's kind of cute with like the...
Oh, no. Yes. See, she'll yell at me. She'll yell at me, and I can't have anybody yelling at me because I want those. I need those to live. Shut the fuck up. Don't tell her. Wait. Pasta, don't tell yourself in the future that I'd watch that. I'm gonna need, actually I'll just use this cable because I actually do want to just plug it into the computer in there. I gotta tell her how cute that is, so I gotta hurry this up. Anyway, this room, which now has the 570 towers in it, by the way. Echo! Turn on TV backlight. probably close these. Please no rape. No rape eye. No cold rape either. So these are here, and I brought out the Takstar TAC 55 microphone, which will be sitting right the fuck here, and a long ass XLR cable. So this should just go like this, and then this gets plugged in to said computer. And it's gonna suck when it doesn't get fucking... I could probably just build a thing that provides 3 volts. Although 3 volts is annoying. I could make an infinite number of 5 volt things. Actually, this is a nice... It's not branded IK Multimedia, but it's like round. I've never seen a round one. It's actually comfortable to hold. So then this is gonna do my thing. And let's say 48 volt on. Nothing lit up. I guess it still needs to have connection. I wonder if... Well, we're gonna find out. Anyway, this will be my new rig for yelling at Pasta. That her song requests are awesome because I picked them. And we'll do this, and we'll out the room, and I'll talk to you later. For the mic thing. Imaginary batteries. For the mic thing. How meta is me watching a Z unboxing on November the 16th of the thing, and I'm gonna unbox the thing now that I'm gonna try, but it doesn't matter because COVID is in your brain. This is the first time it's opened up sideways. Anyway, it's a real quick one. I'm gonna keep that. So I bought these BNC to RCA converters. Pack of 5 in gold. Pasta. There's like a BNC. I'm trying to help her out. She's in the future. I'm in the present. And you're all in the past. I don't think I have to worry about returning them. Anyway, I bought these specifically for the Ropey XL. I need one. I just need one. Because the back of the Pi 2 AES has a BNC. Gonna unplug this. Could actually unplug this too, because that doesn't function well. Because it has a coaxial digital out, but it also has a BNC, which I've been told is just coaxial digital with a better, connection. So let's find out by doing that and then hitting play again. And if that's the case, then I can run coaxial digital out of that twice and fiber out. Then I could use all 5 at the same time. So that's a yes. Quiet music. So that's a yes. You could just convert that BNC to RCA and 2 coaxial digital outputs. Okay, so that thing there, that vertical waifu displayer.com.org, which that microphone is going to be a bit of a problem. It's vertical right now because I wanted to know if I could use it practically vertically, and I could practically use it. So, but I do occasionally want it to be horizontal. And I said in the build video, actually I haven't made a build video, I did the mono video, that I wanted to find a way to rotate it. And somebody linked me something different from this mount. But this was in a related search. This one seemed more compact. It actually says it holds 110 pounds. But this is a rotatable mount. So that's mounted permanently. We got to figure out how this goes. But this should be my solution to rotating that vertical or horizontal at a whim. There's still going to be other things I need to do, since that will, when you put it like that, you have to raise it up to rotate it. And when I turn it horizontal, it'll be too high. I want to lower it down. So I'm going to have to still figure out that sort of system, whether I'm going to automate that or make it just assistant lifts. Okay. These are the ones that go on the back of the TV. This is really heavy duty metal also. I want to point that out. It's good beat down weight. Yeah, it looks, I'm pretty sure, like most TVs, when you mount the Jesus Christ, when you mount the TV, you hang it on there and then it folds in and then you lock it. This is gonna have to be permanent, just you can't slide. So you're gonna have to get it right the first time. This sounds like a box of failure. Damn, this has wall mounts and spacers. I probably won't need most of these because I'm gonna be mounting it to pretty much a custom mount. Kay's best girl. A custom mount. I'm gonna be mounting it to the other mount that's already on there, which is aluminum, and this is steel. So it's gonna add weight to the whole system, but should be worth it. Now this is the plate that I have to mount to the back of that, to where this thing actually has the TV mount. So it's got this horizontal member, which is actually plastic here, but aluminum there. So this has to mount where the TV is currently, like that. I'm gonna probably have to drill some more holes. It has holes like this. It's expecting it to mount this on a wall, because this specific way this sits is what this is going to slide into. Hold on. There we go. See, hear that click? So then that's where the TV is mounted, or that's where the TV rotates to. Click, click, it locks in one direction. That is the way it has to rotate, correct? Holy shit, that would suck. All right, so that's gonna be when I'm watching movies on it, and that's gonna be when the waifus are on it. So I gotta drill some more holes left and right. It's not very deep. I got a very shallow one. I got this one specifically because it says it's shallow. And then these will get mounted to the back of the TV, like so. And then to this. I'm sure there's nuts and bolts. There's short ones. Of course, it's threaded on this side. So it's gonna add, how fucking far is that? It's gonna add that much distance off the plate, unless I get funky, like Punky Brewster, and can I rotate these around? Mount it to the back? I don't think I could do that, because it's just gonna go out further that way, which should be fine. Adding about 2 inches of forward. We got plenty of leg out there. I'm just worried about the overall. We got enough counterweight here that's holding the whole thing this way, that's holding the whole, so I think it'll be fine. This TV only weighs like 40, 45 pounds. Made in Mexico. This is my Mexican Sony television. Anyway, so there's my mounted mount that I'm gonna mount things for the mounted mounts. And that gives me something to do on a live stream, I'll tell you that much. Back to turkeys.